Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to day 11 of our 30-day manifestation run. To my community members who completed their 10-minute skill block yesterday, outstanding work. That was not just a small task. That was evidence that you are no longer just talking about your future self. You are showing up for you. You are building the skill. You are becoming the person who can actually hold the life you keep praying for, writing about it and manifest it. And to my YouTube family listening in, welcome to the room. You are catching us on day 11 of a very intentional 30-day journey where we are not just wishing for things to change. We are changing what we think, changing what we tolerate, changing what we practice. And today, we are changing what we continue to carry. Today's lesson is called Letting Go of the Old Version of You. This is what I want you to sit with for today. You cannot keep asking for a new life while staying emotionally attached to the old one. You cannot keep saying, I am ready for abundance while still holding on to reminders of lack. You cannot keep declaring peace while scrolling through things that pull you back into pain, disappointment, regret, or survival mode. At some point, you have to stop dragging old energy into the new season. And a lot of the time, that old energy is sitting right in your phone. Old screenshot, old messages, old drafts, old pictures, old contracts, old files, old reminders of a version of you that was confused, overwhelmed, underpaid, undervalued, or stuck. Now, let me be clear. We are not deleting lessons. We are not pretending the past did not happen. We are simply deciding that the past does not get to keep taking up space in our present because your environment matters. Your digital space matters. What you see every day matters. And if every time you open your phone, your laptop, or your files, and you're being reminded of who you used to be, then you're making it harder to step fully into who you say you want to be. So today, we're clearing space, not just on the device, in the mind, in the spirit, in the identity. Here is your 11-day assignment. Open your phone, your laptop, your email, your note app, or your photo gallery. Find one thing that connects you to an old version of yourself that you are no longer available to be. It could be an old failed draft, an old file, an old contract, an old message thread. That old boyfriend that you're not in that relationship no more. Delete it. What are we saving that? Delete them. A folder full of reminders from hard season. A screenshot that keeps pulling you back into worry, lack, or regret. Choose one thing that is safe to delete. Not something important, not something you legally need, not something you may need later, but something that you know is only taking up emotional space. Delete it, release it, clear it. Because sometimes the next level does not require you to add more. Sometimes it requires you to make room. Make room for peace, room for clarity, room for new ideas, making room for the person that you say that you want to be. So today we are not just deleting a file. We are sending a message to ourselves. I am no longer holding space for what kept me stuck. Guys, the activity for today, I'm telling you, take it seriously and make sure you do it. It's powerful. So for my community members, once you have cleared that old energy, go to the private post and report in with this command: done, cluttered, clear. And to our YouTube family, make sure you subscribe so you can keep following this challenge. And by subscribing to our channel, it helps us a lot. So we'll appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. And if you're tired of trying to manifest, grow, and rebuild your life in isolation, click the link in the description and join us inside the community. Because inside, we're not just talking about change, we're practicing it every single day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's go!